Nature, humanity, science, and our future. To harmonize humanity with nature and for the value of creating win-win, Saturn Biotech Company Limited is creating a new future of agriculture here by your side. Saturn Biotech preserves sustainable ecosystems based on its foundation of valuing convenient and economical production of eco-friendly and high-quality agricultural products. Based on our broad knowledge and experience that cover on overall plant growing and based on innovative technology, we successfully promote diverse agricultural projects. By leading the agricultural applications of silicic acid, Saturn Biotech is blazing a trail that nature, farmers, and consumers all become a win-win relation. Through its unique and creative technological competence, Saturn Biotech has been expanding with exemplary professional specialties in the field of eco-friendly agriculture. Silicate, the most abundant element in soil, one of the essential nutrients for growing plants. Saturn Biotech recently introduced Keunson Silicate fertilizer, which gives excellent performance with the application of a very tiny amount, by means of which aging farmers can use the product with convenience. It makes possible to reduce the usage of fertilizers and agrochemicals, and thus enables them to accomplish eco-friendly farming. Furthermore, Keunson Silicate fertilizer, the silicic acid fertilizer, is being exported to Japan after registration. It is also registered in Germany as a plant reinforcing agent. All Tool of Saturn Biotech is a new and unique fertilizer that is differentiated from existing fertilizers through its direct application just under the roots of plants. It allows the roots of plants to safely come into contact with the fertilizer and realizes high fertilization efficiency. Putting 1 or 2 All Tools in the soil, plants can absorb the fertilizer substances. All Tool can be effectively applied to kitchen gardens in urban areas, flower pots in homes, and seedlings in farmhouses. Keunson Silicate Coating Set will realize a direct seeding cultivation that is free from the disadvantages of conventional direct seeding cultivation with new effective SI-coated seeds. Farmers will enjoy the economy, convenience, and safety of the silicate coating of rice seeds for the direct seeding cultivation developed by Saturn Biotech. The direct seeding of rice seeds, coated silicate, will avoid or reduce various damage, maximize fertilizing efficiency, and enable farmers to avoid procedures for sterilization, seedling, and transplantation, etc., saving approximately 35% of the labor force required and up to 36% of production cost. Saturn Biotech stores its future values in the business of Chitosan fiber. Independently patented Chitosan fibers embedded with the functionalities and properties of Chitosan are being produced for the first time in Korea. The products are spotlighted for their stability, free from functional deterioration. The fibers show high functional performance and are currently employed for the fabrication of products such as mask packs, oral gauze for infants, sutures, lifting thread, and sanitary pads for women. Keunson now represents the product of water-soluble silicate. Saturn Biotech has been making inroads into the global market and has become a center of business of eco-friendly agriculture. Saturn Biotech will provide farmhouses, consumers, and nature with a new future of agriculture based on its foundation of the idea of win-win, wherein people enjoy happy lives beyond the successful accomplishment of individual enterprise. Saturn Biotech signifies the beginning of eco-friendly and high-quality farming.